Stuck with a dead Toyota RAV4 and a perfectly good zero-turn mower sitting in the garage. Both batteries operate on a 12-volt system, which makes this temporary swap possible in an emergency. Before you start pulling parts, we need to verify that a battery is actually the culprit. Check your terminals for corrosion, watch the dash lights, and listen for that telltale rapid clicking. Safety is non-negotiable, so always disconnect the negative terminal first to avoid any dangerous sparks. Remember, a mower battery has lower cranking amps, so consider this a temporary jump start, not a permanent repair. Only use the mower battery to get you to the nearest parts store for the correct automotive unit. As you can see, the capacity difference is massive, which is why your RAV4 needs the right equipment. Clean your terminals, secure the hold-down bracket, and drive directly to a shop for a proper replacement. Keep a basic 10mm wrench and a wire brush in your glove box for these types of roadside surprises. Never let a temporary fix become a permanent problem for your vehicle's delicate electrical system. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips that save your weekend.